Hello students and welcome to the next lesson of Python 0 to Hero series. So I hope you have given enough time on the exercise and you were able to do it. If not, then watch this video completely and you will get an entire explanation and solution for the profile creator exercise. So let's get started. So in the first step where we were supposed to take the user details as input, I have created four variables: full name, age, favorite hobby and favorite color, where I am asking the user to enter the full name, age, hobby and color. Then to process the name, I have processed it in the title case because the title case capitalizes the first character of every word. And then I'm printing hello full name, that is whatever name we had entered, nice to meet you. So let's test it till here. So first name I will enter as suppose Narendra Modi. Age 73. Favorite hobby suppose yoga. And favorite color orange. So I've entered all the four values. Now if I process the name, it will print hello Narendra Modi, nice to meet you. Now let's analyze the age. So if you see, I have used an additional function isNumeric which just checked that if age is a number. As I had talked about in the previous video, if you want to have a look on all the various functions provided by Python, you can always check the Python official documentation. You can type on the Google docs.python.org and you will get an access. So if it's a number, I'm just making sure to convert it into an integer. Even if not, you can skip this step. I'm just trying. So in the next line, I'm just trying to convert it into an integer by any chance if the user has entered month value along with like 7.3 or 73.5. So we'll just get rid of the decimal part. So I converted it into an integer. Then I put multiple if-else conditions that if age is between 5 to 13, I'm printing a message, you are just a child, enjoy these wonderful years. So I'm not just printing this straightforward, I'm storing this message in a variable age message so that depending on the condition, I will change the value of this age message and at the end I will print it. If age between 13 to 19, we'll print the teenage years, enjoy this exciting time. If it's between 20 to 64, you are in the prime of your life, make the most out of it. 64 to 130, you have gained wisdom over the years, enjoy your time. And if it is not between 5 to 130, then we will print invalid age. The age is not between 5 and 130 because we are considering the valid age is between 5 and 130. You can adjust this as the way you want. And then after this entire if else ends, we print the age message. Okay. So this was the part if the age was a number. If it was not a number, then in the else part we'll print invalid age, please enter a numeric value. So this is a perfect example of nested if else and also the if elif ladder. Great. So let's run this for Narendra Modi. You have gained wisdom over the years, enjoy your time. Then let's process the hobby and colors. So we are printing a hobby message. So if the favorite hobby, why I converted it into lowercase? Because we are comparing it with painting. Suppose the user has entered painting with P capital, right? Then they will not be considered as equal, but we know that they are equal. So that's why we will write favorite hobby dot lower. That is, we convert it into lowercase and then compare. Similarly, favorite color dot lower, blue. Hobby message, with your love for painting and the color blue, you must create calm and serene masterpieces. Else if favorite hobby dot lower is sports and red, then you're printing some other message. For a Narendra Modi combination, we can print one more else if your hobby is yoga and the color is orange, so we can write down considering yoga that now we know how you are so calm and active. Keep loving orange. It's just a random message. You can change it as you want. So if I run this, It will print. Now we know how you are so calm and active. Keep loving orange color. Then we will output the profile. We'll print everything. So we'll print user profile summary, name Narendra Modi, age 73, favorite hobby yoga, favorite color orange. You have gained wisdom, which was the age message, and this was the hobby message. So we are done. Now you can try it for different colors and combinations and different inputs and test it how it works. So I hope you had a great time working on this. In the next video, we are going to start with loops. Till then, keep practicing all this and happy coding.